Alright, this is just a little video of Let's Play Black Ops 2 featuring Ronaldo Cool, Stay Rocket Polo, XX King Reaper XX, Gaming Boss 25, and SF Arcade. We're basically just a group, and we just like to play games with each other, and we like to have fun. So, like, sooner or later, we're gonna be posting videos on like top websites like Twitch and stuff like that. And when we do that, we'll invite some subscribers to come play with us. So, if you're really into Black Ops 2 and you have PlayStation 3, add FN Arcade, Ronaldo Cool, XK Reaper, Gaming Boss 25, or Stay Rocket Polo, one of them, and you'll be able to play.
And yeah, guys.
Just a note under our names, like Stay Rocket Polo. I hope you have in mind that it's Stay. It's Stay, ROCKIN _ Polo, just in case. SNR Kids, SNR capital, both capital, everything capital. KID with a Z. Alright, so
Yeah.
And I have one more thing to say. I am also the clan leader of the L26.
Gun. Yo. Walton. I saw that. Oh, you died in the middle of.
Yeah, I was just noting that that anybody we would love to add anybody from the clan, anybody watching us, anyone that subscribes to us. We'll notice everyone. Alright?
And by the way, your KD ratio has to be 1.0 or higher.
So I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned
For more videos.